Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing sit-ups. As you saw in the demonstration, there are multiple variations of this, but I'm going to show you one with the knees bent, with the knees splayed out, and with the legs straight. For knees bent, just going to have your knees bent. It doesn't matter how close your feet are to your hips. Really doesn't make a difference. Come all the way back onto your back, and then you're going to sit up. Just make sure that you get your upper back straight. The less momentum you use with your arms, the more challenging it will be on your core. With your knees splayed out, your feet, they don't have to be super close to you. This isn't an inner thigh stretch. This is a sit-up. So your feet can be further out in front of you. And again, using the arms to help you is just going to be exercise, but we're not activating the core as much when we do that. And then the final variation would be with your legs completely straight out in front of you and just doing sit-ups like that. Just make sure that you sit all the way up at the top. So for more core building exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.